Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of omega-3, uncovering its extraordinary health benefits. We'll explore its role in combating heart disease, reducing inflammation, enhancing brain function, and much more. Get ready to discover the incredible power of omega-3 and how it can transform your well-being. First, let's understand what is omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that our bodies need, but cannot produce on their own. This means we must obtain these healthy fats from the foods we eat to support optimal health and well-being. There are several types of omega-3 fatty acids, but the most notable are EPA and DHA. Each plays a unique role in keeping us at our best. Now let's dive into the amazing benefits of omega-3. It's been linked to reducing the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death globally, but omega-3 may offer some protection against it. Studies have shown that consuming omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce triglycerides, lower blood pressure, and decrease inflammation, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. By incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet, you may be able to lower your risk and support a healthy heart. Next, we have reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to various health conditions. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. By including omega-3 in your daily diet, you may be able to alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions and promote overall well-being, supporting brain health. Our brains require essential nutrients to function optimally, and omega-3 fatty acids are among them. DHA, in particular, is a vital component of brain cells and has been linked to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Studies have also shown that omega-3 may help alleviate symptoms of depression and other mood disorders. Boosting eye health. Our eyes are complex structures that need essential nutrients to stay healthy. DHA is a significant part of the retina. An adequate intake of omega-3 fatty acids may help maintain good vision and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and dry eyes. Ensuring proper fetal development. During pregnancy, omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in the development of the baby's brain and eyes. Studies have shown that pregnant women who consume adequate amounts of omega-3 have a reduced risk of delivering premature babies, and their infants have improved visual acuity. By ensuring proper omega-3 intake during pregnancy, you can support the healthy development of your baby. Maintaining healthy skin. The skin is the body's largest organ and a key indicator of overall health. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for maintaining healthy skin. They can help improve skin hydration, reduce inflammation, and protect against sun damage. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet may contribute to healthier, more radiant skin. Now that we've covered the fantastic benefits of omega-3, let's explore two popular sources, marine and plant-based omega-3, and see how they stack up. Marine omega-3, primarily sourced from fatty fish like salmon and sardines, are a rich source of EPA and DHA. These types of omega-3 are renowned for their high bioavailability, meaning our bodies can absorb and utilize them efficiently. Marine omega-3 are particularly beneficial for heart health, reducing inflammation and supporting brain function. Plant-based omega-3, mainly found in chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts, are abundant in ALA. While ALA is not as readily absorbed by the body, it can be converted into EPA and DHA, albeit to a lesser extent. Plant-based omega-3 are still valuable for their health benefits, including reducing inflammation and supporting skin health. It's important to note that both marine and plant-based omega-3 are essential for a balanced diet. Including a variety of omega-3 rich foods in your diet can help ensure that you're getting the full range of benefits these healthy fats have to offer. Let's now discuss the top dietary sources of omega-3, starting with fatty fish. Among the best sources of marine omega-3 are fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and herring. These fish are not only rich in omega-3, but also provide high-quality protein and various essential nutrients. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to boost your omega-3 intake. Next, we have seafood like mussels, oysters, and clams. These shellfish are excellent sources of omega-3, particularly EPA and DHA. They also provide a good amount of zinc, iron, and vitamin B12. Chia seeds and flax seeds are prime examples of plant-based omega-3. These tiny seeds are packed with ALA, which our bodies can convert into EPA and DHA, albeit to a lesser extent. Chia seeds and flax seeds are versatile and can be incorporated into various dishes, such as smoothies, yogurt, and salads. Walnuts are another fantastic source of plant-based omega-3. These nutrient-dense nuts also provide vitamin E, antioxidants, and a range of minerals. Microalgae are a unique and promising source of plant-based omega-3. These microscopic algae are rich in DHA, a type of omega-3 that is typically found in animal products. Microalgae are a sustainable and ethical alternative for vegans and vegetarians looking to boost their DHA intake. In conclusion, omega-3 fatty acids are essential for maintaining good health and well-being, from reducing the risk of heart disease to supporting brain function and ensuring proper fetal development. Omega-3 offer a wide range of benefits. Incorporating a variety of omega-3 rich foods, including fatty fish, seafood, chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, and microalgae, into your diet can help you meet your daily requirements and enjoy all the incredible advantages these healthy fats have to offer. So go ahead and add some omega-3 packed superfoods to your plate and experience the difference they can make in your life. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.